Are you tired of mold ruining your home? Lysol is your go-to solution for killing mold on non-porous surfaces like countertops and glass. It can prevent regrowth for up to a week. But remember, it has limitations on porous surfaces and against stubborn black mold. For porous materials like wood and drywall, try DIY solutions like vinegar, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide, or opt for commercial removal products. If you're dealing with an extensive mold infestation, it's time to call in Mold Busters professional mold remediation services. Make sure to follow safety precautions like wearing gloves and masks and ensuring proper ventilation when dealing with mold. Regular cleaning, humidity control, and maintenance are key to keeping your living space mold-free. Keep your home safe and healthy. Contact Mold Busters for professional help.